Oh wow.
Okay, we just got to Fort Stevens State Park. Apparently this is the biggest state park in America. I see something very cool they've got here. This Jeep. That is awesome. I'd like to have one of those as a tow car, I think. Cool. Okay, we've arrived at the campsite at Fort Stevens. Another nice little campground in the trees, as you can see behind me. I'll get you turned around and check it out. So this is the site. We're in D-Loop. And site 102. So it's pretty nice. Got the trees. Very blue sky. It's got electric and water hookup only. That's all good. Got the rig set up. And then we've got our table. Our fire pit. I did buy some steak earlier, so maybe it's steak time. Yeah. Bathroom's there. So we're going to go out and check it out.
We're going for a hike to check out the area. And we'll show you what we find. Sort of looking for mushrooms, aren't we?
Yes.
We're a bit out of
This
breath
seems
because
like
we've
the
just
place.
walked up a big hill. But yeah, hopefully we find something because it will go nice with our crabs that we got yesterday. We are here, heading.
And we're camped.
Yes, we're camped
Here.
here.
Let's go. Got my baby cargo. Are you happy back there?
Yeah,
Right.
he's happy.
Feels nice back there. Keeps putting his hands on my shoulders. His tiny little hands. Gonna go check out Shipwreck. See it from here. When is it? I think like early 1900s.
1906, I think.
1906.
It's an English ship.
Yeah. Testament to English oak. It's still there.
I think it's steel.
Oh. Well, there you go then. That's probably why it's still there. Find out in a minute. There's not much left of it, but I guess it's been there over 100 years.
Yeah.
Still pretty impressive.
Another beautiful Oregon beach.
Yes. Quite a coastline.
Look at that. Well, there is still wood.
There is still wood. I told you. Fine British wood. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
I wonder if the rest of it's underneath us.
That's cool, isn't it? Our first
Shipwreck.
shipwreck of the trip.
And
Some of it over there as well.
yeah.
Must have been quite a lot bigger than that.
Yeah. Well, if you think that's just the tip of it, it probably goes all the way over there.
Yeah. Is that metal sticking out of the ground over there or wood?
Metal.
Metal, so yeah, that's part of it.
Yeah.
Huh.
It's cool to see.
That is cool.
You keep looking, the lobster mushrooms are everywhere.
Yeah, look at that.
They're like right under. It's a big one.
You can sort of see them cracking through the surface.
Look at that.
There's a big one. Yeah. Huh. It's pretty good, isn't it? Okay, what is that? Something there? Was that? No, that is just a leaf. False alarm. So show me your haul.
I can't believe how many we got. Look at the size of this.
These are lobster mushrooms.
These are lobster. You can see why.
Look
they
at
called
that.
it.
It's like bright orange. No gills. It's actually a fungus that is a parasite on other funguses.
Other fungus.
So you can take like it might infect a mushroom that wouldn't be
Yeah.
edible, and then it basically turns it into another mushroom. It changes the DNA, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And then it becomes edible, yeah. So that's good.
Yeah, so excited to try those.
It's like, if you do take mushrooms, fill the hole back in.
Yeah.
Like that. What is that there?
That
is something else.
That's got gills.
What is that?
Wow, look at that.
Huh.
That is probably...
That's probably what
these have
infected.
Look at that.
Huh.
That's huge. What if we take that for ID?
Could do. Yeah?
Look how clean it is. Huh.
There you go. There you go. Awesome. There was a guy here picking what he said were king boletes, which would be a penny bun or a porcini. I don't think that's what they were.
No, I picked out some little ones.
But
they were kind of...
He seemed to be confident in what he was doing, so maybe he's eaten them before and he's...
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have eaten them. But...
No, I wouldn't have even stopped to pick them, I don't think, but there you go. We saw him and then we saw the flash of orange. Awesome. Let me just fill that back in. Like that. Anything else?
Probably found lobster mussel on someone else's patch, but...
He didn't see them.
We were out looking. I didn't pick what he was picking.
No, we picked what he was picking and gave them to him.
Found it, so...
Yeah, exactly. We found a completely different type of mushroom, so...
Yeah.
He wouldn't have seen it. So there you go.
Yeah. Okay. I think we got everything we're going to get from this patch. Jeez.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
So happy. And interesting to know, this is just a lawn on the side of the road, so not the ground I thought we would have got them from.
Nothing special, just somewhere where mushrooms are growing and they have taken over.
Another bit of a learning.
Yeah. It's crazy though, once you find something like that, you don't want to leave. You just find yourself walking backwards and forwards, looking over ground that hasn't got any mushrooms, generally. See that there? That is just breaking through there. I reckon that's a mushroom in there. Just where it's like popping up there. And lo and behold, it's another one. So that's basically what you're looking for. That like real...
Bug eaten, but...
Is he?
But still firm though.
Yeah, it's another one. We'll take it. Cut, fill your holes. But that's it, just where that ground was just broken up like a little bit like that. That's kind of where you're going to find them. Which is about to leave as well.
Good job.
Wow, look at that. That's not bad.
Quite a bag. That's a gallon bag, right? It's nearly to the top.
Yeah. That's a lot of mushroom.
Oh, I feel so happy about that.
I will caveat, there is a white one in there that we've
Yeah.
taken for ID, which we're not planning to eat.
No. But I was sort of feeling like we weren't going to find anything.
So where's the way? Just keep looking.
All of this, so very happy with that.
There you go. Ooh.
Smells like dirt.
Off we go. Clean them up. It does make quite a big difference. I scrub them with a toothbrush and now they are bright orange. Still a few little bits of like that bit. Maybe don't want that. But yeah, I'm gonna dry fry them. Just gonna slice them like this.
They're nice and white inside.
Yeah, I'll close into a bigger one. Yeah.
Look at that.
So I'm going to dry fry them to start with, and then I'm going to just put butter. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do.
Tasty, tasty.
Nothing else.
Looking forward to this.
Mm.
We did our safety test last night. Had a few little nibbles to make
I'm
sure
not enjoying this knife.
make sure we would be okay, and all was okay this morning. So
Yeah.
yep, happy to eat these. Very happy. It was unbelievably delicious last night. So looking forward to this.
Yeah, they're like quite steak-like.
Very savoury.
Yeah. Baby boy's just trying to smash something up down there in the background.
Just
What are you doing, bud?
Just a bottle of water. He's trying to stand.
Yeah, that. I could have chosen a better knife to cut this with, but there you go. Yeah, look at that. So meaty.
Yeah, it's like chicken almost. Like cooked chicken.
Yeah. Look like quite a meaty sort of flesh. Okay, I'll get this done and
Cool.
get them in the pan.
Looks like like marinated chicken strips you get from the supermarket.
Like tandoori chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does a bit. Look at those.
Wow. This looks incredible. It's changed the colour of the butter into like bright yellow. It's almost like you put turmeric in it. Or
Yeah,
saffron.
didn't put anything in it, just butter.
That's unreal.
Try it. What they like.
Oh my god.
Yeah?
That's so good. You didn't like put much seasoning on it or anything?
No. Just.
You can see why these are prized. If you're a vegetarian, that's almost a meat substitute.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I want to try it now.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, they do that good, don't they? Try a decent bit on its own. Yeah, like the bread's gone all orange. Yeah, they're like really firm.
Mhm. Almost like chicken.
Yeah, sort of. I mean, you know it's a mushroom.
You know it's a mushroom. Yeah.
It's like with the toast. But it's...
But like, if you weren't gonna eat meat.
It's got like a real
It's a real savoury,
meaty sort of texture.
meaty texture. Yeah.
They don't go...
Delicious.
I cook them pretty hard as well because they're wild mushrooms.
Yeah.
So, you know, if you got shop bought mushrooms and cooked them as hard as I just did, they would be soft.
Yeah.
Whereas these are...
They're still firm. Yeah.
Yeah. They've got a real bite to them.
That is awesome.
Great flavour.
I'm gonna tuck in. Morning, friends.
Morning.
I'm fresh faced this morning. Haven't had a chance to get ready yet.
The natural look.
The natural look.
Loving it.
Embracing being in nature.
Yeah.
We are leaving Fort Stevens State Park today. We only had the one night.
It's another great state park, isn't it?
It's excellent. Apparently it's the largest state park campground in North America. So it's huge. We haven't even driven around it, but you can
there's
tell
more stuff here that we haven't seen.
it's massive, yeah. But our mission here was to find mushrooms, and we were very successful, so super happy about that.
Yeah, really good. I can't believe how many we found.
I can't believe it either.
Sort of see one and then just keep looking and they were just everywhere.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that was really good.
Yeah.
Had our mushroom breakfast this morning.
We did, yeah. And also learnt that they're not where we thought they would be. I thought they would be like in really woody, forested areas, and it was literally just in the lawn on the
just
side
like
of
by
the road.
the side of the road.
So
everywhere, like traipsing through the woods.
Yeah.
Looking for our mushrooms.
We need
didn't
to
really find anything edible. Well, we found mushrooms, didn't we? But like nothing that you'd want to eat.
No.
And there they were, just at the side of the road. So
work less hard to
there you
find
go.
them next time.
It's just
It was only for that
look
guy
everywhere.
that was picking boletes, and then we sort of muscles in on
started
his.
talking to him. But hey, we didn't take any. Hang on, baby boy just dropped his blanket in the mud.
No, we didn't take what he was taking.
No, we didn't take what he was
didn't
taking.
see that there was.
He didn't see what we saw, so we went
So
wrestling
fair
in.
game, I think.
And helped him pick his mushrooms.
Yeah.
Didn't you?
I did.
So that's all good.
Yep. So now we are heading up to Washington. Yay! Finally. We are just on the border.
Yeah, so not very long, not very far drive to be honest. So
probably about 10 minutes.
10 minutes we'll be in Washington.
Yes.
So we will see you there.
See you in Washington. Bye. Over there is Oregon.
That's Astoria.
And over here is Washington, where we are. I got a bucket load of berries.
We have stumbled across another car show.
Another one.
This is the event, 40th anniversary.